Hi everybody. Sorry this took me so long to do, but I'm going to show you how I make my protein oatmeal. So your macros might be a little different just because of where you are or like how you set your stuff. But for me right now, with what my goals are and how I have the rest of my day, I'm doing 35 grams of quick oats, and these are the ones I like to use. I like them because they fluff up really nicely. I find some of the other ones that are not like ground up already, they just kind of, they don't really fluff up, and I don't know, I just prefer that. So anyhow, I've got my bowl. I'm gonna put it on my scale, and let's keep the scooper inside here and measure. Okay, 35 grams. And then to that, I just add 1.5 cups of cold water. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so my oatmeal is done. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of fluffy now. So anyways, I'm gonna put my scale back to 0, and I am doing 1 scoop of protein, so that's 44 grams. So I weigh my protein as well because the scoops are never the same. Okay, 44. And then in my protein oatmeal in the morning, I always do 1 scoop of Leucine. What's this one here? What that does is it helps you maintain muscle while you're leaning out. So with me being in competition prep, I always take my Leucine. It just helps with maintaining and building muscle. It's just one of the essential amino acids. Okay, and then I've got creatine, so I do 1 scoop of that. I don't weigh these ones, so I use that one. And then I really like using this. And when I get closer to competition, I have to eliminate my sweeteners, but right now I can have them. So this is by a Canadian company called Believe Supplements, and it's flavor. And this one is like the vanilla one, and I love it. I do 2 scoops. That, and then I do salt. I always do 7. I am trying to stay super consistent with my salt intake. And then I do cinnamon, and I am very generous with my cinnamon. Okay, so I'm gonna mix that up and I'll be back. Okay, so here's my oatmeal all mixed up now. And I'm gonna be doing 30 grams of blueberries, frozen blueberries. Okay. And then I mix that in. So once I have my frozen blueberries in, then I use one of these packs of peanut butter. I like to use these packs because they're exactly 1 tablespoon, exactly 15 grams of peanut butter. And I've put them in the freezer, and then I just pop it off and put it on top. So it looks like that. And then I eat all around it, and I kind of let the peanut butter melt in the middle, and then that's like my last little bit that I eat. So anyways, it's a great source of carbs, protein, fats, and everything's weighed out, as you can see. It's one of my favorite things to eat. I love it. I have it in the morning, and then I save oats or carbs so I can have it at night too. I just find it really satisfying, and it's just one of my favorite things. So yeah, hopefully that helps at all. If any of you wanted to try that out, let me know what you think, okay?